Bundle up, my friends. We're heading into the deep freeze across northwest Florida. Cold weather advisory for dangerous wind chill values expected overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. We also have freeze warnings in effect down to the coastline. You can see that with the darker shaded colors there. Meanwhile, the lighter shadings, that's for a freeze watch as we head into your Tuesday morning. So 2 mornings, I think, where we'll be below freezing, certainly for inland areas. Coastal locations will flirt with freezing probably both mornings, but more likely on Monday morning than, say, Tuesday morning. We'll show you more on that in a minute, but notice temperatures dropping this evening. The winds will continue to blow briskly, and as a result, feels like temperatures are going to be quite cold across our region. So again, skies have cleared and looking pretty good, but cold for sure as you make way on into your Monday and Tuesday. The good news is by Tuesday afternoon, the warm-up begins and we're looking much, much better across our area. But we're going to stay clear. Winds are going to stay high throughout the overnight hours tonight into your Monday morning. Once we get through Monday morning, the wind should begin to back off, and I don't think the feels like temperatures are going to be as much of an issue as we head into Tuesday morning, although it will still be very cold. It's just we won't have the wind chill values down into the teens because notice again by Monday evening, the winds are much, much lighter across our region. So low temperatures, mid-20s inland. So this is going to be one of those ones you're going to need to go ahead and drip the pipes, especially outside faucets, wrap some of those faucets as well. So some of the pipes, especially on exterior walls, make sure to open up the cabinets there so you can allow air to circulate there and keep those pipes warmer. Beaches will not have that same issue. It's going to be a very light freeze, 31, 32 degrees. That's about it. That should not cause many problems. But again, if you move inland just a few miles, you'll be down into the mid-20s. So wind chill values, watch what happens with the wind chill as we move through the evening and overnight hours. We'll see those wind chills dropping down through the 20s and eventually by your Monday morning. Look at this. We're looking at wind chill values 19, 18, 20 degrees. When it comes to the feels like temperature, even the beaches are going to be into the low 20s as you wake up on Monday morning for the feels like temperatures. So let's talk about high temperatures Monday. If we're lucky, we'll hit 50. Probably we will not. It will be very cold for sure. Low temperatures Tuesday morning will be just as cold inland, but notice the beach temperatures a little bit warmer across our area as the influence of the Gulf will keep things a little bit warmer. So I think the beaches freezing on Monday, probably not Tuesday. Everybody freezes both days away from the beaches. So, and it will be a hard freeze with mid-20s expected. High temperatures Tuesday. Here's the warm up. Below average, but it should feel a lot better. By Wednesday, we'll be pushing closer to 70 degrees, probably upper 60s. We have one chance of rainfall this week. That's going to be on Thursday. High pressure builds in. Again, that's going to keep us nice and sunny as we move through your Monday and on into Tuesday across our region. What will eventually happen is you'll start to see, look at that moisture begin to return across our area as we head through the middle part of the week, so it is going to be getting warmer. We are going to look for that rainfall back to the west, and eventually by Thursday, we'll have at least a chance of rainfall. We're not expecting a whole lot, but that's your one chance as we move through the week. Here's your 7-day forecast. Look at this, 60s expected by Tuesday, 70s expected by Thursday, and we should stay in the 70s pretty much right on through Christmas.